Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can bulk upload files to your account on Dropbox. For example, a set of images, photos, PDF files, documents, videos, and so on and so forth. So let me show you how it's done really quickly. Log into your account on Dropbox, and what I would suggest you do first, guys, if you're planning to upload more than one file, is to create a folder for that. So let me create a folder really quickly. To do that, click on that plus icon here at the top and select create folder from the drop down menu. So let me name that folder, I don't know, test folder, for instance. So do that really quickly, click on create here. And after that, on your home feed, click on that plus icon again and select upload from the drop down menu. And here to the right, select file. And what you want to do after that is locate the files on your device. So let me go with that one and that file as well, and that too. So 3 files all at once. So a bulk upload. Let me do that really quickly. Wait for the upload to be finished. That may or may not take a moment, of course. And after that, your uploaded files will appear here under all files. So now you can move them one by one, for instance, to your shared or to your created folder. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.